Good day, everyone. Paano nga ba mag-solve ng problem for compound interest compounding more than once a year kung ang nawawala ay yung term or time? Okay? We use this formula, F is equal to P times 1 plus I raised to M over M raised to the power of M times T. Now, pag sinabing F, that is the future value or maturity value. Yan yung lahat ng pera, no? Kung nangutang ka, yan lahat ng babayaran mo. Kung ikaw ay nag-deposit sa bangko, yan lahat ng pera mo sa bangko, okay, na pwede mong kunin. Next, yung P naman is the principal amount. That is the original amount. Kung nangutang ka, yan yung magkano yung inutang mo. Kung ikaw naman ay nag-deposit, yan yung magkano ang dineposit mo, the original amount. Now, for I raised to M, that is the nominal rate of interest. No, that's the rate. No, kung 8%, 5%. Okay? Then yung M naman, the frequency of conversion. Okay? Kasi sa compounding more than once a year, meron tayong tinatawag na semi-annually. Kapag ka semi-annually, ay 2 beses. Kapag ka semi-annually. Kapag quarterly naman, ibig sabihin every 3 months, 4 naman, then for monthly, 12. Kasi there are 12 months in a year. Okay? So, tatandaan mo yan kasi gagamitin natin mamaya sa problem. Meron pang iba, meron pang weekly, daily, pero usually ito yung tatlo na ginagamit. Okay? Then, the term or time. So, alam na natin yan. The term or time, gaano katagal yung pera. Okay? Now, number 1, if you deposit 3,000 pesos into an account paying 8% annual interest compounded semi-annually, how long until there is 6,000 pesos in the account? So, let's analyze the problem. Ano po yung, we use this formula, then ano po yung hinahanap dito sa problem natin? Sabi niya, how long until, so kung how long yan, ang pinapahanap po sa atin ay yung term. Okay? Yung time. Now, what is 3,000 pesos? 3,000 pesos, this is what? If you deposit, so kung nag-deposit ka, that is the original amount. So, iyan yung ating P, the principal amount. 3,000 pesos. Then, I raised to M, okay, that is the rate. So, that is 8%. Yan, that's the rate. 8%. Okay, kapag ginawa nating decimal yan, kasi 8 yan, mag-move tayo ng 2 decimal places to the left. 1, 2. So, nandito yung point, dagan lang natin ng 0. So, kailangan kasi yung percent nasa decimal form. So, 0.08. Kaya hindi pwedeng diretso yung percent, isolve natin using the percent. Mamamali tayo. Okay? Then, yung M naman, so, mahalaga ito, no? Sabi niya, compounded semi-annually. So, kanina sa table natin, kapag semi-annually, that is equal to 2, 2 beses sa isang taon. Alright, so, then we also have the future value. Ito, sabi niya, 6,000 pesos na lahat ng pera mo sa bangko. That's 6,000 pesos. We use the formula F. So, meron tayong F, that's 6,000. Is equal to, meron din tayong P, that's 3,000. 1 plus, ano yung rate natin? 0.08 divided by yung M natin, 2, kasi semi-annually. Then, M natin is 2. Meron po ba tayong T? Wala. So, we just copy T. Okay? Next, divide natin both sides of the equation by 3,000. So, divide natin by 3,000. Okay? Cancel out. Cancel out. So, 6,000 divided by 3,000, that's 2. So, ang matira na lang dito, 1 plus 0.08 over 2, okay, raised to 2t. Okay, now, next, simplify muna natin itong nasa loob ng parentheses. Unahin natin itong fraction. That's 0.08 divided by 2. That is 0.04 raised to 2t. Then, we simply add 1 plus 0.04. That's 1.04 raised to 2t. Okay, this time, gagamit tayo ng logarithmic equation. Okay? So, we write log 2. So, kung maglalagay tayo ng logarithm dito, kailangan meron ding logarithm sa kabilang side ng equation. Okay? So, we have logarithm 2 is equal to, meron tayong property sa logarithm, no? Kapag ka logarithm m raised to x, yung exponent niya mapupunta dito sa unahan. So, ang mangyayari dyan, magiging x logarithm of m. So, ibig sabihin ito, yung exponent niya na 2t mapupunta dito sa unahan. Para yung t ay wala na siya sa exponent. So, ang mangyayari, that is 2t logarithm of 1.04. Okay? Now, I think we have to erase this one, no? Kasi hindi na kasya yung space natin. Okay? So, logarithm 2 is equal to 2t. Kopyahin ko lang, logarithm 1.04. Since hinahanap natin yung t dito, divide natin to both sides at equation by 2 logarithm 1.04. Okay, bakit? Para ma-cancel out ko to, cancel out ko yan. So, ano na lang natira? T. Kasi yun ang hinahanap natin. So, divide din natin yan sa kabilang side of the equation. Okay? Or, pwede nating i-arrange. Pwede naman din yan, nandyan yung t, or lagay natin yung t dito sa right side. Sa left, lagay natin yung t sa left side. Anyway, the same lang naman yan. Okay? Kasi equal pa rin yan. Logarithm 2 over 2 logarithm of 1.04. Okay? Now, what is logarithm 2? So, gamitin mo yung calculator, yung scientific calculator. So, we have pinutin mo yung logarithm 2, 0.301. Okay? Divided by 2 times, ano yung logarithm 1.04? So, pindutin mo sa calculator 0.017. Okay? So, again, erase ulit natin to, no? Okay. So, ang mayari t is equal to 0. Okay. So, i-times natin to 2 times this one. So, that is 0. Then, divide lang natin yan. Ang sagot ay 8.836. That is our answer. Years. So, this is now our answer. So, medyo mahaba ang proseso natin, but if you follow the process, sigurado akong masasagutan mo rin yung problem. Okay? So, I hope you understand. Thank you for watching.